Natural cure of bronchitis and severe cough. Welcome all of you to my grandmama's healthcare desk. I am Varghese George. Today I am going to show how to prepare a natural remedy for bronchitis and severe cough. Bronchitis is an inflammation or swelling of the bronchial tubes that the air passes between the mouth, nose, lungs, etc. Cough is a common viral infection that affects nose, throat, and airways of human lungs. This natural remedy can be prepared by anybody and requires a few natural ingredients like egg, lemon, pepper powder and cumin powder, and also material like spoons, lemon squeezer, small grinder, cup, bowls of water, plate, etc. Take one egg and one lemon and keep in a bowl of slight salty water for 2 hours. Scrub the egg with lemon skin thoroughly and wash with fresh water and wipe with tissue paper. Break the egg gently and pour the liquid portion into a cleaned dried plate. Collect the yolk into a cleaned dried cup by the help of 2 spoons from the plate. Cut the lemon and squeeze the lemon into this cup. Mix thoroughly with the help of spoon and drink it. Collect the remaining liquid portion of the egg from the plate into a metallic cup and add half small spoon of pepper powder, half small spoon of cumin powder and add little salt also. Mix thoroughly by spoon for 5 minutes. After that, keep this metallic cup on a hot water bath up to 10 minutes for warming and also mix thoroughly with spoon and drink it. I have tried this with excellent result. You can also try and get cured from this disease. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.